Lamborghini is ushering in a new era of hybrid supercars with its latest creation, set to replace the iconic Huracan. Expected to debut in August, potentially at the prestigious Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, this new model signifies a bold step forward for the Italian marque as it transitions its fleet to hybrid technology by 2025. The new supercar will depart from Lamborghini's traditional V10 engine, embracing a more sustainable, yet still potent, turbocharged V8 plug-in hybrid engine. While specific performance details remain under wraps, there is speculation about a thrilling 9,000 revolutions per minute redline and a dynamic, where the turbochargers activate in the upper RPM range. This engine will be mated to an 8-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmission, a feature it shares with the Lamborghini Revuelto. Design-wise, the successor to the Huracan will continue Lamborghini's legacy of striking, angular aesthetics, heavily influenced by the recently introduced Revuelto. Spy shots suggest a low, wide stance with ultra-slim headlights and significant intakes on the front bumper. A distinctive hexagon-shaped LED lighting motif at both the front and rear, along with a large center-mounted exhaust, are expected to define its visual identity. Despite the mystery surrounding the name, Lamborghini has registered Temerario. Though it's unconfirmed if this will be the label for the new vehicle, anticipation is building. This vehicle will carry on the tradition of models named after famous fighting bulls, following in the footsteps of the Gallardo and the Huracan. As Lamborghini phases out the naturally aspirated engines of its past, this new hybrid model will likely set a new standard for performance and price within its lineup. The outgoing Huracan models range from $240,000 to $340,000, but industry experts predict the starting price for this innovative hybrid could approach $280,000.